Did you know? मंजू तो इनको ले जाओ नीचे जाओ यार नीचे इसको पता है क्या करना है
अभी जाएंगे
इतना टाइम लगा दिया
तो मेरे ओहो मामा जी नमस्ते मामा जी नमस्ते
This is a voting day, ladies and gentlemen. Today, Kashmir Education, Cultural and Science Society. All the people are there. They're waiting. There is a big rush. And there is a lot of people. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are today. You see that? This. Hey, तो अभी ना when time. अंदर लग रहा 3 घंटे रद्द वाज अंदर मगर अति क्या है अति AC so you can enjoy the AC but then you shall have to be there for a very long time so I could have taken your seat and you could have taken my seat, sir. So you are enjoying today the franchise, the election day, the democracy and the democratic day. Great, sir, great. God bless.
वोट थी में
हाँ है तो लगा
तो इसको लाइन 10 वोट है तो माँ तो ला सारी फैन टबर को ले अभी करना प्रेसिडेंटशिप क्या मेहनत देखिए इतने साल से
So, ladies and gentlemen, that are people who are waiting to have the cast their votes. And today is Kashmir Education Cultural Science Society. They are people, Kashmiri Pandits are putting their votes and they are now exercising their franchise. Today is a very big day, and you know that this we want to rebuild the 5,500 years history of Kashmir. So ladies and gentlemen, as I told you that we are Kashmiri Pandits are on the move, and we want to build from the roots and build from the strong foundation that has been laid by the stalwarts like Mr. Jain Kaul, Padam Shri Jain Kaul, Mr. S. Shali, Mr. M.K. Kaul, and Shamlal Shagdar Saab, and so many people who have contributed their sweat and hard labor on making this Kashmir Education Cultural Center in Pamposh Enclave, New Delhi, a big day and a big institution today. And it is to protect this legacy, this culture that we are here today. The vision statement that we had given, ladies and gentlemen, it is that we want to make it a national and cultural, international and national cultural art, language, science, education hub. We want to make it national and international hub for Kashmir culture, Kashmiriyat, and our very strong legacy. We want to have the Sharda manuscripts digitized in Kashmir Education Cultural Science Society. We also at the same time want to have a very strong sustainable physical and financial model for this KECSS, so that it can work and it can stand for Kashmiri Pandits for the next millennia. So there are so many things, and we want to of course continue the legacy and strengthen the legacy and the roots that are now here for laid by our stalwarts in this very place. So ladies and gentlemen, it's a very big day, 28th May 2017 for Kashmiri Pandits, when they are exercising their franchise here, standing from 9 a.m. in the morning. And ladies and gentlemen, it's already 2:30, and at 2:30 you just see that it will take another 2 hours or 3 hours, and Kashmiri Pandits are still standing for the last 7 or 8 hours to just vote for the future, to vote for a very strong team, to vote for a very cohesive and a solid team who will at least write the history and write the destiny and write the future and the physical and the financial structure and the model for this very important place, that is Kashmir Education, Culture and Science Society. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you, God bless you, have a nice time, and God bless you. So okay, thank you very much, thank you very much, thank you very much. That's he's explaining.
Not the panel. Misguide मत कीजिए लोगों को। क्या कह रहे हैं? ध्यान से रहिए।